Department of Transportation Chief Secretary Vince Dizon relieved 3 security personnel of the Office of the Transportation Security of Ninoy Aquino International Airport due to their alleged involvement in the Tanimbala incident. To recall, a 69-year-old woman, together with her family, set to travel to Vietnam on March 6, was accused of being in possession of a bullet while at the airport. However, DOTR's preliminary investigation showed the senior citizen was cleared and the X-ray scanner, but were chased by the security personnel and told to undergo physical inspection because of an alleged amulet in her luggage. Meanwhile, Senator Grace Poe said that the authorities should thoroughly investigate the said incident as this may cause trauma to passengers.
I am calling on our kababayans. Kapag nangyari sa inyo to, huwag kayong matatakot. Huwag kayong mahihiya. I-report nyo agad.